today is the Galungan day in Bali, so happy Galungan to every Balinese people who watching us in Bali and around the world. Today, this morning, I wake up early and I jump into my bike and come to Desa Penglipuran, which is the traditional village in Bali. And I arrived just 5 minutes ago. Unfortunately, one very nice, gentle guy from Pechalang came to me and said, "I'm so sorry, sir, but my village is closed due to the current situation. I cannot say the name because of the YouTube problems in the future. However, you know what I mean and what's the reason. I had to turn around and say, okay, thank you." So I truly understand, and it's completely no problem at all. However, today's the formula of today's vlog has to be changed. I have completely no idea what I'm gonna do, because normally I don't plan what I'm gonna do, but today I planned yesterday, and that's not gonna happen. So that's always, I prefer don't plan anything, and whatever day is gonna bring me, I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, now I'm in the bamboo forest, which is actually just next to the this village, and they allow me to come here because, well, nobody's here anyway. It's a very beautiful morning, sunny, a lot of bamboos, empty road. It's really nice. I will make you show you a few shots of the bamboo forest. If you ever never saw the bamboo, this is the great opportunity for you. However, Winnie is celebrating Galungan with her family in Tabanan, so I asked her, she will make a few shots using her phone. So I will show you probably now or after the showing you bamboo forest. Stay tuned.
Itu lah, ada hari raya. Bisa
So this is Galungan celebration actually. We already done praying. So my grandma also done praying. So this is the offerings. Okay, ma? Tuh di jembor eh. Good morning, guys. How are you today? So now I am in Tabanan in my hometown. So I just finished praying in Galungan today. Well, actually that today's Galungan is totally different from other Galungan because today we are not allowed to go to the big temple. So we are just praying in the small temple with the family, as you see in my video. And Galungan celebration is the celebration of the victory of Dharma against Adharma, or good things against bad things. So, on behalf of my family, I would like to say Rahajeng Galungan lan Kuningan Semutan Bali. So, thank you.
By the way, it's very nice smell here in this forest, the smell of the bamboo or something, but it's very nice accent. But one thing somebody told me long time ago when I come to Bali, never touch the bamboo, raw bamboo when it's growing, because maybe you can have allergic on bamboo. They said it's a common thing and your skin will be like full of the red spots. However, I touched it before I knew it long time ago. I'm fine. However, I'm not gonna touch the bamboo. Anyway, what I gonna do with bamboo? By the way, close by the traditional village, I just discovered abundant building, and actually the complex of buildings. I think that was the government building, but the gate is over there. There is the sign still, and there is completely abundant buildings, and here is the two buildings what looks still okay, and there are cameras there. And also everywhere are cameras over here actually, so don't really wanna explore much because on each corner is camera, and there are two cars, but I drive around, nobody say single word to me, so I think it's fine. I just wanna show you a few shots before I gonna continue my vlog more.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it. But you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like them. I changed my mind and got behind it. I got behind it. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break.
So I'm somewhere on the road from Bangli to Ganyar. I'm not sure where I am actually. However, I met some procession, some people coming from one temple to another temple, and people are much more easygoing here. They're happy, waving to the camera, very happy. I'm not saying in the previous place was they sad. I didn't saw anyone. Seems like they are totally stay in the houses there. That's why the village is closed. However, here is the Galungan celebration as usual.
I let you down. Know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with a song, tell you with a song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? Whoa, 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 whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
Right, so loud. Big wave. So now I'm in the Pantai Lembang. This is very close to Sanur. Sanur is already over there. Very wild beach, I have to say, because the waves are very loud here. I don't know if you can hear me. And the waves are hitting the coast very strongly. There was the kind of some abandoned construction, and the water is coming into the road. If it's the big wave, like, well, it's still very wet, and so it must be not so long ago. I hope so the wave not gonna wash me over now. But it's very possible. Very nice. I used to try to drive bike here, as you can see. Very soft and very wet. Yeah, but about the Galungan today, the situation is how it is. Many places are closed in this year, in this occasion. I try to make as much snaps as possible. Some people are coming now. I will make another snap. You will see. See that the sound of ocean in this place is sick. Can you hear that? It's just sick, wild, so cool. As you have like your skin is full of the.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in.
The way, because the wave was so huge. You see the water on the road? I nearly get washed away with some guys. And here's the kids coming to ceremony. Oh my god, that's so cool. This beach is really sick, you know, guys. You have to visit this place. It's a lot of fun, but you have to be careful in the same time. and today the waves are huge.
Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed.
Alright guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I tried to show you as much as possible about the Galungan today, also Winnie and her home and family temple. Also she explained you what does it mean, Galungan. This wave is big. You see? Nice. I'm staying on the rocks to make sure that I'm not gonna get wet. Anyway, I think that's already enough for today's vlog. I show you as much as possible. I hope so you enjoyed. Tomorrow something new, like always at 7 PM Bali time. Don't forget to share, like, comment, especially comment whatever you think, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys. Happy Galungan.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no